when that is around. Just running without you. But if you want it, darling, we can make it right tonight. And if you taste it, baby, we can make it out. And you can have my sugar, 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 oh yeah. Give me my sugar, 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 oh yeah. Gonna give it to you. If you want me to. I said I won't need that love for so long. I never thought it could be the love. I really wished it could be true now. You got me in the palm of your hand. If you want to be my man, I got to give it to you. You can have my sugar, 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 oh yeah. Give me my sugar, 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 oh yeah. Wanna give it to you. I said that you want me to. So you can have my sugar, 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 oh yeah. Got to give it my sugar, 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 oh yeah. And I'll give it to you. Baby, if you want me to. Ooh, I wanna give it to you. If you want me to. Give it up for Josh and Brent singing those beautiful 3,000 harmonies. Yeah. So last year we put out an EP called Fight, and I want to play the title track for you guys. Yeah, thanks. It's one of those songs that was kind of in a really dark period of my life, and I wrote it and it kind of helped me get through it. And singing it reminds me that, you know, there's always the light at the end of the tunnel. I want to hear it. It's called Fight. Here we go.